Okay, in this section of the class, we're going to begin looking at video software. So we're going to use a really simple online one that's provided by YouTube. So you go to youtube.com/editor, and you're going to have an account. So make sure you're signed in. Okay, once you're here, I'm going to give we're going to make a project name. So I'm just going to type in Google IPT 286. And so what we have here is this is kind of the editor that Google has built. So right here, this tab, these are all the videos that I've created. So you can see that I have a lot of the tutorials and stuff here. If you click on this one, it'll give us all the videos that people have posted online that have the Creative Commons license, so we can remix them. Then we have some audio, which we'll talk about a little later, transitions, and text. We're going to begin by, for this assignment, you're going to be making a little patriotic flag thing. So just look for American flag if you can't find one. So I'm just going to drag this one down here. It looks like it was already here. But if you need to, you could type in American flag. And you can see that a few pop up. Anyway, so the first thing, now you notice that we have 2 minutes and 56 seconds of that flag. I don't want that much, so I'm going to click on that and I'm going to trim it. So what I want here is, let's just take, let's find where the flag is kind of flying, and we'll get about 6 seconds, 14, so 20 minus 14, about 6 seconds. Let's go ahead and hit save. So if we hit play on our video right now, the flag is just going to play for about 6 seconds. Let's go back into that and look at that. It seems a little dim to me. So if we go into here, and when we hover over it, we'll see effects, text, rotate. So we'll just click on any one of these, and it'll take us back into our editing the little video clip. On the text, if we wanted to, we can apply black and white, and a few other simple things. You can. We're going to put a text overlay though. We're going to say USA. I'm just going to save that. Okay, so you see that now it has this little text overlay here. Hit save. And so what we're going to do is, let's go back to, let's get rid of that. This kind of gives us some default ones. Let's just find some kind of pretty nature pictures. So here's some nice red flowers. We'll drag those down. So again, we're going to trim them. Let's just get maybe 3 or 4 seconds. There we go. That's about 3 seconds. Let's get some nice yellow flowers I saw up here. Okay, pink. And trim that one as well. So about another 3 or so seconds. Maybe we'll do a little bit longer actually. Let's get some orange flowers. Trim those ones. And the idea is we're just putting in some nature scenes of the USA, so to speak. And who knows where these were really filmed. But then finally, let's kind of end it with some more American flag here. And let's kind of go here in the middle. Now, this is going pretty quick. We'll give that about 10 seconds. You'll want to make sure that you're on campus or someplace with a really good internet connection here. So if we play what we have so far, we have USA here. You see it, it has the flag. It should transition over to these red flowers here in a second. Let's pause this a second. I'm going to change one of these middle ones. I'm going to add an effect, and we're going to make this look really kind of bright. Let's kind of lighten this up a bit. Now it looks washed out, and we're not looking for aesthetically pleasing here. It's a little less. But the point is that you understand that you can apply these effects to certain segments. Okay, now you notice that it just jumps between them. If we go to this transition spot, we can then drag transitions between clips. And if we click on that, we can make it so it's a little bit longer, a little bit shorter of a crossfade. So let's see how that looks. The US flag, and it should slowly fade into the flowers. See how it kind of faded there together? So let's go ahead, and crossfade by far is the most, it just looks nice. These other ones they're kind of funky. They're not very professional. Go ahead and add a few if you want. I'm going to use, so this one is telling us that it's a little too, it won't let us do that one, because if we go into this one, it wants like 2 seconds on both sides, and the clip, let's just go that down to a second. Let's make that one a little bit longer so we can do it. It needs a little bit longer. Let's see here. This one is another problem. Make these a little bit longer. Okay. So let's just do crossfades in all of these. Still does not like it. Let's go these down to 1 second. And these are pretty quick transitions. It looks like it went away. So let's watch our little clip. So the final thing we're going to do is we're going to go some audio. Star Spangled, I'm spelling that right, we'll find out in a sec. Star Spangled Banner. So they have a bunch of free music as well. Let's listen to this one.
Oh, say can so pretty.
It's okay, let's try that one. Actually, that one's not, it's only 30 seconds. Let's try this one.
Oh, say can you see by the dawn's early.
Beautiful. So I'm just going to drag that down into our music thing here, and you can basically keep the original audio or have the music overlay and kind of do half and half. Actually, I'll probably favor the music a little bit. So let's see what our final product looks like here.
Oh, say can you see by the dawn's early light what so proudly we hailed at the twilight's last gleaming, whose broad stripes and bright stars through the peril.
Okay, that looks pretty good. So this is just kind of an introductory of very basic video editing, and well, next week we'll actually go ahead and we'll use other software, and I think you'll see that it's pretty similar wherever you go. So I'm going to click publish this, and right after you publish it, I'm going to go click on settings. I'm going to make it unlisted, and this link right here you're going to have to submit on the class website this week. So I'm going to save that, and it's going to take a little while for YouTube to basically create the video we just made, but yeah, by the time I look at it, I'm sure it will be fine.